It's your great dad, Rusty Wallis, Honda. John Hernandez. Today we're going to compare the HRV versus the CRV. And we're going to do a side-by-side comparison. Here we have a 2016 HRV. It's an EXL. And as you can see, it is a bit smaller than the HRV. This is a 15 EX, so the only difference is that it doesn't have the leather. But let's talk about engine size. The HRV has a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine. Its length is 169.1 inches. Okay, the maximum width is 69.8 inches. The front headroom, 37.6 inches. The hips, 53.1. The shoulder is 56.8. Now the mileage in the city is 28, highway 35, and combined 31. Now let's talk about the CRV. CRV has a 4-cylinder 2.4 liter engine. Of course, it's a bigger engine. And the gas mileage in the city is going to be 27, highway 34, combined 29. So you're still getting good gas mileage. Its length is 179 inches, 0.4. The width is 71.6. The headroom, 38 inches. The hip room, 54.5. The leg room is 41.3, and the shoulders is 58.6. So overall, you're getting bigger engine, longer length, more room. But I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison because I've had a lot of customers asking me, well, John, what is the difference between the HRV and the CRV? Okay. You can give me a call, 214-723-4366, Rusty Wallis Honda, 12277 Shiloh Road, Dallas, Texas, 75228. Okay, that's it for today. Please like my videos, and then we'll talk to you in the next video. Talk to you soon.